All right, here we go with the 67 Dodge Coronet. It's a black on black from the factory. It's a 440 RT model, 4-speed with the Dana 354 rear end. And it just came up out of deep storage. And anyway, dusty. It got a sprinkle of rain on the ride home, and it just looks like a wreck right now. So anyway, I've already clay barred the front hood and waxed and removed half of it, but boy, what a difference, and it really comes up nice. This is an elderly paint job, but holds up very well. The reflectivity is still good. Not a tremendous amount of scratches, but there's some in there. Nothing drastic, but some minor ones if you really just go over it. But you know, if you look at it, you know, walking by, it appears to be an excellent car. So I don't know, I guess everybody has to compare themselves to the things you see at the auctions, the ones that go for like $500,000. It's like, my car doesn't look that good. Well, you wonder why. So anyway, console 4-speed, very wonderfully done. And this 440 with the Dana rear end, it's amazing how quick you pull away from people. This thing really boogies. I mean, it's quick, even by today's standards. It's not going to roast a Hellcat or anything like that, is what I'm saying, but when you can get traction on those rear wheels, the thing will actually get hauling really quick. For a, I don't know, 58-year-old car. So there you have it.